Hey there, speculators. It's Roderick, lead futures trader, T3Live.com, where I trade futures and options on the VTF every day for daily income. Hey, just wanted to make a quick video here because a piece of news that you're seeing there on the screen just hit right now. It's a little after hours, and today was actually a market holiday, so the stock market was closed, and even the futures markets actually closed a little bit early today. So see this headline from CNBC. It hit Bloomberg, various other places as well, that Apple is warning because of the coronavirus that it won't meet its revenue guidance. Okay, so what I wanted to do is come over here and take a look at where the Nasdaq Futures closed. They closed at a very ominous 9666. And most likely, when they reopen in a few hours, which will be 6 p.m. Eastern time, we're going to see probably all the markets sell off a little bit, especially the Nasdaq. Now, I don't know that for sure. Even if I had a crystal ball, you're never going to know exactly how markets react to certain news when it comes into the market after hours. But the takeaway here is in the futures markets, we're going to have going on 12 hours of time that we can potentially trade, react to this, potentially hedge a portfolio. Let's say you're actually long Apple and you saw this news come out and you at least want to see what the potential reaction might be for the open tomorrow. And you're never going to know that until it actually opens. But the Nasdaq futures are going to give you a little hint, and you can take advantage of these news items when they come out because the futures are 23-hour markets. So I'm going to stop it right here. 9666, couple hours until we actually see the open of the Nasdaq futures again at 6 p.m. Eastern, and let's just see what happens. I might even actually decide to trade live a little bit. The good news is I do have a little bit of short exposure already in the Nasdaq futures that I put on today, so ideally a couple hours we'll have a little bit of a payday, and then we can see where we go from there. All right, my name is Roderick Casilli. Trade every day on the VTF, virtual trade floor at T3Live.com. I'd like to remind you to trade like you mean it. Stay tuned for part 2 of this video. Thanks.